YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And this is coming from my good friends over at NELKO. Thermal Label Printer. Faster, smarter, clear. Model PL70E BT, Bluetooth, and everything else. This thing is really sweet to have. Really compact. You could probably put it anywhere and have a lot of room still. You could take it with you on the road. Bluetooth, USB, direct thermal, resolution 203 dpi. Print speed is right there, 150 mm. Approximately 6-inch. Print width 40 to 104, 1.57 to 4.5 or 4.1 inch. There you go. Driver support, Windows, and the Mac. So you got options. And you get, of course, your USB adapter, but we got it set up to the PC, Windows, and then you get a thumb drive. And there's a app to download. We're doing the 4x6. It comes with a label printer paper, so that's really good. You can load 4 sheets of labels into the printer. See, it tells the nice little things. Mac also does. And then here's this. Shows how to resize everything, make it look nice, especially for your small business. Here is a phone you can use for your iOS, Android, or Apple, you know. Let me just search for the Bluetooth. But like I said, I already got it set up, tested it out, and I'll show you guys right about now. So you get the manual and everything else. You get printer, test labels, power cable, USB cable, printer, USB-C, USB-A adapter, U-disc, which includes the drivers, and the manual. But you could go on their website, like I did, and download the drivers. So it's either or. See, right here is a website, and they got the Windows, the Mac, and Linux. It says you could try the Linux out too. So either or. NELKOprint.com. Here she is. Got the green goes. It's connected already to the USB to the back of my computer. I already did a few test runs and it looks really nice. So really impressed. It's really fast, and that's what it's going to come up as on the Windows side. See, it's in idle mode. That's what we want. And now I downloaded a picture. I downloaded a sample label. So I haven't had nothing to print in a while. Might have to do a giveaway too pretty soon. Where is it? Download. It's been one of those days. Okay. And then hold on. There we go. Here's my little test sample label. And it's got to go to print. And the printer's going to be there. You get to adjust or automatic adjust. Full page. We'll do 4x8. 5x7. No, that's too big. Do 4x6. Here we go. Shoots out really fast. Bam. One shot deal. Check it out. Super clear. You can always add watermarks to it, to your labels, like maybe your logo, your business logo. So And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside, how to load the paper. But I want to get the test run out of the way first. And now you know. See this little level? You just pop it open. It's going to flash. That's how you load the paper. Bada boom. And the ink, I think, is in here or something. Not 100% where, but somewhere in there. Make sure you got that end up. And it loads fast. You just close it back up. Bada boom. Like I said, get that out of here. Let's do another quick test for our YouTube. Definitely check these guys out. Pretty quick, easy to set up. You use your smartphones. Bada boom, coming right at you. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. NELKO. Links will be down below. Be safe, take it easy. See ya.